In this video we create recipe. First click on raw material. Then click on create raw ingredient. In raw material first enter barcode by clicking in barcode icon. Then enter raw material name. After select sold by unit. For track inventory first enable track inventory option. Then fill stock available and alert at. Enter raw material price. And enter raw material brand name that is optional. After that click on submit button to save all the details. Let create another raw material. I had already created 3 to 4 raw material. Now let's create recipe. Enter barcode by clicking on barcode icon. Then enter recipe name. Then select category from category list. Now select multiple raw material that we have already created. Then change or add quantity of each product. Enter the price of new recipe. Then click on Save button to save all the details. As you can see, the recipe is created successfully.